Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Kikoff Credit Review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're looking to build or repair your credit without risking credit card debt, well, Kikoff is a super clever low-cost tool designed to do exactly that. Now, think of it less like a standard credit card and more like a structured digital account built specifically to safely boost your credit score factors. Now, here's how it actually works. Now, you sign up via their app and they instantly approve you for their basic plan, which costs just around $5 a month. Now, there is absolutely no credit check or hard pull on your file here, but once you are approved, Kickoff opens a $750 revolving line of credit in your name. Now, the unique twist here is that you cannot use this line of credit to buy normal everyday things like gas or groceries. Now, instead, you can only use it inside Kickoff's online store to buy small items like personal finance or ebooks or budgeting courses that cost around like $10 to $20. Now, when you buy an ebook, you pay it back in tiny zero interest installments of a few bucks a month. Because you have a $750 limit and are only using a tiny fraction of it, your credit utilization ratio stays incredibly low, usually around 2%. Kickoff reports this ultra low utilization and your perfect payment record to the major credit bureaus every single month, which easily helps you polish your score. Now, they do also offer an upgraded tier or upgraded tiers here that add extra features like rent and utility bill reporting. Now, the main downside is that the credit line has no real world spending power here outside their store. But if you just want a zero stress, highly affordable way to build a flawless payment history completely on autopilot here, well, Kickoff is a fantastic stepping stone. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.